Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's Funty Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And in today's video we're going to be taking a look at all these American Airlines amenity kits. Yeah, there's a lot here, ranging from Haan to when American used to do it on their own, to this is ground, to their heritage amenity kits all over here. So we have tons and tons of amenity kits to get into and take a look at today. So many. Timeline is from the oldest one back there. That one was made 17 years ago in 2005. Here is the newer ones, Haan. And I believe this is the newest one, if somebody could tell me in the comment section below. I have trouble dating this one. These are all from my grandpa and my step-grandma. These were gifts. Sorry, the lines was stuck there. These were gifts from them. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So first up we have here, if you are an OG and been around since practically day one, this is the first ever amenity kit I took a look at. This is the simple Haan. If you'd like an in-depth review, go ahead and click the card right here. Anyways, let's move on to the most that I have 4 of these water resistant Haan tote bags. So I'm not going to open up every single one of them because it's pretty much given. With one of them there is going to be the same stuff in all of them. So let's get started off here with the Bigelow refresh travel kit. That's got like mouthwash and stuff in that. Here's the eye shade or eye mask, so you can wear those for people that like to sleep in total darkness. Earplugs, your dental kit, tissues, and your Cole Bergeron card, or Haan, sorry, card, and this is from 2019. So these bags are from 2019. I have a proposition to make. Oh, there's some socks. These are like 15 bucks on their website. It's probably not their real ones, but close to. I have a proposition. If we can get to 500 subscribers, I will give these away. So if we can get to 500 subs, I will give 2 or 3 of these away, depending on when it does come time to give them away for the stuff that's in there. So don't want to poison you guys if it goes bad. And if it does go bad, I do have some, hopefully, Lord willing, that none of it gets canceled, some international travel this summer. So I'm going to be up in the front of the bus and could get you guys brand new ones. So toss those to the side, and we're going to move on to the other 4 Haan bags. So here is, I believe this one is a Transcontinental or New York to LA one. Here, I'm going to have to set the camera down. I believe this is a New York to LA kit. In that kit you get the classic refresh travel kit. You get your card. This one is from 2018, and a dental kit and earplugs. So this is what I believe was from a Transcontinental New York JFK to LAX. Probably when they were going to New Zealand. They went to New Zealand that year. I think New Zealand. I don't know. They went somewhere cold. But here is the this is a cool amenity kit. This one is I used it this weekend since I went to some racing events in Gainesville, Florida. This one's cool because it's a tablet case and a amenity kit, so you can fit your iPad in there. I'm pretty sure it can only take like an iPad mini or a Samsung Tab. But let's get started. I had to use the toothbrush, so the toothbrush is out. Headphone covers, your dental kit, so mouthwash, toothpaste, toothbrush, and you get Haan socks. This 3Lab stuff. I don't know if they were the predecessor to Cole Bigelow or Co Bigelow or the successor, but overall you get a lot of stuff, and you get a pen in this one, so yeah, that's cool, getting a pen. And you also get this nice leather bag and tablet case. So yeah, a bunch of cool stuff there. Okay, let's get on to the next one. I have 2 of these, so you know the vibes. We're only going through one. You can go ahead and toss the other one to the side. This is another 2018 one. So it's got your travel kit, socks, toothbrush, toothpaste, tissues, eye shade with earplugs, and your redeem code, so $75 off this time. But overall, again, you get a nice leather pouch that you can put pretty much anything in, and right here it looks to be just big enough for a cell phone. Also, phones have gotten a lot bigger since 2018. That was when like the iPhone 10 was out. So for these are some classic ones. I have 2 of these, so you know we're only going to go through one. I don't think I'm going to open these, because if I do, there will be a picture up on screen. I don't think I'm going to open these because these are pretty old and they're classics. But that's what you get on the back, so you get pretty much everything that a modern day one would get. Only thing that's different, I believe, is the comb. But yeah, these are 2 of the same things. These are just different colors, that's it. So you got 4 there. Let's take a look at the newest one, I believe. This is the newest one because my step grandma told me this one is when she believes American Air went bad. So there's pretty much like nothing in there. Cool little watch there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So get some watches, I guess. I think this is a watch brand, but what you get in there is pretty basic. Your dental kit. This is in a paper bag, and you get earplugs and this kind of moisturizer, I think. Hand and body lotion. So yeah, that one's pretty basic. It's probably during 2020 or 2021 when COVID was a thing. Or it still is kind of a thing now, but thanks to Omicron and the vaccine getting out, if you if you feel inclined to get your vaccine, then please get your vaccine. But here is a Heritage Edition one. This one is bare minimum. I think they needed, I think my grandma needed a toothbrush. This one's really cool because it's the Air Cow Heritage Edition. There's not much in there. Maybe she used the eye mask. And I think this might have been during COVID because it's an entirely different size, different style of bag, and has no branding on it other than American Airlines. And I believe the company is Red Tag, or that's what it said, I think. But let's move on to some more classic ones. This one is a throwback from a while ago. This one is from a good while ago. So in this one you get socks, little band to keep the socks, tissues, travel necessities kit, so like lip balm, hand cream, all that stuff, and eye mask, earplugs, pen, and dental kit with the tiniest toothpaste tube I've ever seen. What else? A flosser that's, come on. A flosser that's pretty odd to see, and a comb. So this one is definitely from a good time ago, but yeah. Hey, let's go on to the oldest one. As you can see there, from 2005, the second quarter. But that's what you get in there. Here. This one, I don't feel like opening it because there's definitely like some sort of something in there. It's pretty cool. The bag has a bunch of little old American logos. And this is a newer one. I'm pretty sure of that. This is from This Is Ground, and your simple basic amenity kit. It's socks, eye shade. You get lip balm in this one. This one is a newer one, I believe, from maybe 2020, in promotion of their card. My dad's company switched to American now, so we got this card, and he kept the Sky Miles card because why not get bonuses on everything. And there you go. There's that. Earplugs, tissues, and I think the other part dropped out in the pen. But that's probably in the big bag down there. But I don't feel like getting that. I'm getting that. So that's that. And this is the last one. There is kind of like, I don't know if you can see like these little spots. So I'm gonna go into it later, just in case, so I don't like ruin the rest of the video having to wash my hands off. But there probably will be a picture of it on the screen. So a quick little side note, I just unboxed this one. It's Iberia Business Plus. So this one is from Iberia Airlines. But this one by far is probably the best that's come out of this. There's hair ties, but I dropped them apparently. It came with 2 different hair ties. You have a shoe bag, all sorts of cool stuff. Don't know what that was for, but you get an eye mask, perfume or cologne. I don't know, I haven't smelled that, and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's kind of crazy that this used to be full. That used to be full, but now it's like pretty much a shoehorn, toothbrush, toothpaste, and the super cool leather bag. Anyways, guys, back to the video. Anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next video for an unboxing video, and the video after that I will see you for a trip report. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube Aviation signing off. Okay, quick side note, if you all want a individual video of them, please drop it down below. Alright, anyways, love you guys, bye.